Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Yannick Laubach and I'm the product specialist for machining centers and double color machining centers at Okuma Europe. Today I will introduce to you the brand new MB-100V you can see behind me. The MB-100V is built for large workpieces, tough materials and ultimate accuracy. Featuring a robust portal structure, thermal compensation for consistent precision. Whether you're working with steel, cast iron or exotic alloys, the MB-100V delivers unmatched rigidity and surface quality. Ideal for energy, aerospace and heavy industry. The MB-100V offers a huge working area of 3 meters x 1 meter and a height of 600 millimeters. With the highest possible weight of 6,000 kilograms, the machine can handle big parts with ease. With Okuma's OSP P500 control, intelligent process monitoring and seamless automation, it delivers maximum efficiency and minimal downtime. If you want to receive more information about the MB-100V and experience a new dimension of large part machining, contact us at info@okuma.eu.